Hey, coffee lovers and skincare enthusiasts. Welcome back to my channel. Today, I am about to spill the beans on an exciting topic, coffee skincare. Yes, you heard it right. Coffee is not just for sipping. It's also a fantastic ingredient for your skincare routine. In this video, we'll explore the incredible benefits of coffee for your skin and show you how to create some DIY coffee-infused skincare products. But first, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss skincare tips. All right, let's dive right in. Coffee isn't just an essential morning pick-me-up. It can do wonders for your skin, too. Exfoliation. First and foremost, coffee grounds shine as an outstanding, completely natural exfoliating agent. They excel at removing dead skin cells, resulting in a complexion that's both smooth and luminous. Plus, the caffeine in coffee can temporarily tighten your skin, reducing the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Anti-inflammation. Did you know that coffee is loaded with antioxidants? These little wonders can help fight inflammation and protect your skin from damage caused by free radicals. Reduces puffiness. Say goodbye to those under-eye bags. Coffee's anti-inflammatory properties, along with its ability to constrict blood vessels, can help reduce puffiness and dark circles. Now that we've explored the incredible skin-rejuvenating benefits of coffee, let's venture into a realm of effortless DIY coffee-infused skincare potions. DIY Coffee Face Scrub. To whip up an effortless coffee face scrub, gather these ingredients. 1/4 cup of coffee grounds, 2 tablespoons of coconut oil, and 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. Mix them together, gently massage onto your face, and rinse off for instantly smoother skin. Coffee eye mask. To reduce puffiness and rejuvenate tired eyes, create a coffee eye mask by mixing 1 tablespoon of coffee grounds with 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Apply it under your eyes, leave it on for 15 minutes, and wash it off. Fresh and awake eyes. Coffee and honey face mask. For a genuinely invigorating facial treatment, blend together 2 tablespoons of coffee grounds with a lavish dollop of honey, approximately measuring up to 1 tablespoon. Gently apply this mixture evenly across your face, allowing it to work its magic for a soothing 20-minute duration. Afterward, rinse it off. There you have it, folks, the beauty benefits of coffee and some fantastic DIY recipes to incorporate coffee into your skincare routine. Remember, while coffee can do wonders for your skin, always do a patch test first, especially if you have sensitive skin. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to share your coffee skincare experiences in the comments below. Until next time, stay beautiful and caffeinated.